Oh well, and we're gonna bake banana bread. But first we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we got all the green ingredients here, all of the bowls here. So,
Okay, sige ate, smash mo tong banana. So we have
Four
four
bananas.
Dali, buksan mo.
and make sure to wash your hands. Of course.
Balatan mo pa yung mash it really good. Parang madami yatong apat, no?
That's so much.
Oh, that's okay. It's more bananas. It's better, I think. Let's see. Lumalagpas. Diyan mo lang. Set aside the garbage. Dali, ano mo siya? Press mo
Smash?
siya. Yes. Okay, ilan ba to? So we have like all-purpose flour here. So we just gonna do two cups. Oh my goodness! Oh no!
I guess that's okay.
Okay, I think so. I'm just gonna put a half because I overdo it. Okay, there you go.
Yeah. we're doing good. I told you.
Okay. So this one. There. Sige ate, smash mo pa maigi yan ate.
Until it's a banana slushy.
Yeah. I will grab a spoon. And 1 cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar smells good.
Yeah. There. And then
We could have had a blender. Okay.
smash mo pa.
Okay.
And I'll put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's nothing. Okay, there you go. And then we're just gonna mix it together. Diba ate? The dry stuff.
Dry
Stuff.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
Show them what it looks like.
There. Or just the flour and brown sugar combined. And the baking soda. And then the next one I put an egg. 3 eggs, by the way.
Don't get any shells in there.
There's no shell.
That
Okay.
looks nice.
And then I'll put 1 cup of butter.
Butter. What ingredients?
Okay. There. So I use this vegan butter. Okay, Ate, I think you're doing good there. Put it all together.
In there?
Yes.
Okay.
Then. Okay. And then you mixed it really good.
Yeah.
There.
Me?
Okay, so I'll put some vanilla extract. Just a teaspoon of it.
Just a teaspoon.
Yeah, just a teaspoon. And then I will put some walnuts as well.
But if you don't want to, you don't need to.
So, but you like with the walnut, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tastes good.
Yeah. I put it all together. I think I like last.
Okay.
I put all of them up there.
Sure.
Then you can mix this as well.
Okay. So mix it until it looks like this. Like this. Until it's strong and puffy. Okay?
So, pwede na to, Ate. So, we can put this in the pan.
Okay.
Okay.
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. Looks like this one is too much, eh?
Banana bread. It looks a lot.
Yeah,
There's like still more in the pan.
so we can put on the other one then.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So just leave it there.
Okay. And here's
Yeah.
what it looked like.
Okay, so we can put that in the oven now. Okay, so after 1 hour, ito na guys, yung banana bread. Oh, yan na siya. So, iti-test natin siya kung luto. Ibig sabihin, clean na yung stick pag tinusok mo siya. So, looks like it's all good. And the other one. Yeah. It's good. So, i-cool down lang natin siya and then it's ready to serve.
Yay!